If you say, I want to check my bag at the airport, Americans will understand you. But if you say, I want to register my luggage, they'll be confused. That's not how we say it in America.
And if you ask, where is the gate for boarding instead of where's my gate, you sound like a textbook, not a real traveler.
Today, we're fixing the airport English mistakes that make you sound like a beginner.
Hey everyone, welcome to Speaklio English. I'm your host, and we help you speak real American English.
And I'm here to make sure you sound natural and confident. Today's lesson is super practical because we're teaching you exactly what Americans say at the airport.
Whether you're checking in, going through security, or finding your gate, you need simple, clear phrases that real Americans use every single day.
No textbook English, just real conversations that actually work.
So if you want to travel confidently in the USA, subscribe to Speaklio English. We practice real American English together, and we make it simple.
All right, let's start with check-in. This is where most mistakes happen.
So imagine you're at the airport counter. The agent says, "Hi, how can I help you?" What do you say?
Most learners say, I want to register my luggage, or I need to check my bags for the flight.
That's too formal. Americans keep it super simple. We just say, "I need to check a bag."
That's it. I need to check a bag. Not register, not luggage, just check a bag.
Let me say it again. I need to check a bag. Short and natural.
And if you have two bags, you say, I need to check two bags.
Easy, right? Now, what if the agent asks, "Are you checking any bags today?"
You can say, yes, just one, or yes, two bags.
Or if you don't have bags to check, you say, "No, just a carry-on."
Carry-on. That's your small bag that goes with you on the plane.
We don't say hand luggage in American English. We say carry-on.
I just have a carry-on. Say it with me. I just have a carry-on.
Perfect. Now here's another common question at check-in. Do you have a seat preference?
Learners sometimes say, I would like to sit near the window, or I prefer the aisle location.
Too long. Just say window, please, or aisle, please.
That's all you need. Window, please. Americans love short answers.
Or you can say, "I'd like a window seat," or "I'd like an aisle seat."
Simple and clear. Let's practice. I'll be the agent, you're the traveler.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hi, are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just one.
Great. And do you have a seat preference?
Window, please.
Perfect. See how easy that was?
So natural. No long sentences needed.
Now, let's talk about security. This is where you need clear, confident English.
At security, the TSA officer might say, "Please remove your shoes and belt."
Or take out your laptop and liquids.
You don't need to say much here. Just follow instructions and say, "Okay," or "Sure."
But here's a phrase you might need. If you're not sure about something, don't say, excuse me, is it necessary to remove my shoes?
Too formal. Just ask, "Do I need to take off my shoes?"
Do I need to take off my shoes? That's how Americans ask.
Or, "Should I take out my laptop?"
Short questions. Do I need to? Should I? That's the pattern.
Let me give you another one. If you have a question about your bag, don't say, "Is it permitted to keep my bag?"
Just say, can I keep my bag?
"Can I keep my bag?" Much more natural.
And if the officer tells you something, just say, okay, thank you, or got it, thanks.
"Got it" is super American. It means "I understand."
Got it, thanks. Say it with me. Got it, thanks.
You'll hear that everywhere in America.
Now you're through security. Next step is finding your gate.
This is where learners make a big mistake. They say, "Where is the gate for boarding?"
Or which gate is from my flight?
Americans don't say it that way. We say, "Where's my gate?"
That's it. 3 words. Where's my gate?
Or you can say, "What gate am I?"
What gate am I? Super casual and very American.
And if someone helps you, they might say, "You're at gate B12.
Then you say, thank you, or thanks so much.
Now here's a useful phrase. If you can't find your gate, you can ask, "Is this the way to gate B12?
Is this the way to gate B12? Simple and polite.
Or if you see a sign and you're not sure, you can say, "Am I going the right way?"
Am I going the right way? Americans use this all the time.
Let's practice. I'll be a traveler, you help me.
Okay, go ahead.
"Excuse me, where's my gate?"
What's your flight number?
UA245.
You're at gate C15. Go straight and turn left.
Thanks so much.
Great job. That sounded totally natural.
See, short phrases work better.
Now, let's talk about boarding. When it's time to get on the plane, you'll hear announcements.
They'll say, "We're now boarding Group 2," or "Now boarding rows 20 through 30."
You don't need to say anything, just listen for your group or row number.
But when you hand your boarding pass to the agent, they might say, "Have a nice flight."
You can say thank you or you too.
You too is very common. It's friendly and quick.
Now, here's something important. If you need help finding your seat, don't say, "Excuse me, where is seat 23A located?"
Just say, "Where's 23A?"
Where's 23A? The flight attendant will point you there.
Or if someone is in your seat, you can say, "I think that's my seat."
I think that's my seat. Polite and clear.
Not, "Excuse me, you are sitting in my seat." That sounds rude.
Always say "I think" first. It's softer.
Americans like to be polite and indirect.
Let's practice one more situation. You're on the plane and you need something.
Maybe you need a blanket or some water.
Don't say, "Could you possibly bring me some water?"
Too long. Just say, "Can I get some water?"
Can I get some water? That's perfect American English.
Or, "Can I have a blanket?"
Can I have or can I get? Both work great.
And when they bring it, say, "Thank you" or "Thanks."
Easy, right? Let's do a quick role play. I'm the flight attendant, you're the passenger.
Okay, I'm ready.
Can I get you anything?
Can I get some water, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
Perfect. You sound like a real American traveler now.
All right, let's do a full practice from start to finish. I'll make some mistakes and you correct me.
Good idea. Go ahead.
I want to register my luggage.
Stop. Say, "I need to check a bag."
I need to check a bag.
Perfect. Keep going.
Where is the gate for boarding?
Nope. Say, "Where's my gate?"
Where's my gate?
Great. One more.
Could you possibly bring me water?
Too long. Say, "Can I get some water?"
Can I get some water?
Excellent. Now you've got it.
See how much better that sounds?
Short, simple, and natural. That's American English.
Let's do a quick recap of everything we learned today.
Number 1, I need to check a bag, not register your luggage.
Number 2, window please or aisle please. Keep seat requests short.
Number 3, do I need to take off my shoes? Simple questions at security.
Number 4, where's my gate? Not where is the gate for boarding.
Number 5, can I get some water? Easy requests on the plane.
Number 6, I think that's my seat. Polite way to handle seat problems.
And remember, got it, thanks, when you understand something.
These phrases will make you sound natural and confident at any American airport.
You know what? You're gonna do great on your next trip.
Absolutely. Just remember to keep it simple.
Americans don't use complicated English. We use short, clear phrases.
And now you know exactly what to say.
Before we go, we have homework for you.
We want you to practice these phrases. Choose your favorite one from today's lesson.
Go to the comments right now and write one sentence. Maybe, "I need to check a bag," or "Where's my gate?"
Write it in the comments. We read every single one.
And it helps you remember. When you write it, you practice it.
Plus, we love seeing you practice with us.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, click that subscribe button right now.
We post new videos every week to help you speak real American English.
No textbooks, no boring grammar, just practical conversations.
Hit the like button if this lesson helped you today.
And remember, English is not about being perfect.
It's about being confident and clear.
You don't need to sound like a textbook, you just need to sound natural.
And that's exactly what we teach here at Speaklio English.
Your next trip to America is going to be amazing because now you know what to say.
From check-in to landing, you've got this.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking.
We'll see you in the next lesson. Until then, practice your airport English.
Thanks for learning with us today. Bye, everyone.
Bye! Safe travels!